That's usually what happens to the black bear. That said, I play this harmonica while I walk, and I don't have to test my theory. Go ashore or do what I need to do to get out of here. You come with me. Tony Borealis looks so much like blueberries. Plant doesn't look like blueberries at all, but if you know what a blueberry looks like, but the berries do, and if you were confused, I've seen people that are. Super calorie efficient eating in a survival situation.
Is that, guys? So it says Disneyland up top. It has his name, and underneath it usually has where the cast member is from. But I thought it would be fun if we put species unknown underneath there, and I asked her if she could do that, and yeah, she came through on that. So your new Disneyland cast member inspired pin looks. There it is, guys. On him, it looks like the perfect size. Victor, what do you think of it? I think that is just totally.
On there very well. But anyway, tin or put some solder on your iron. Hold it onto the bottom of the beans.
Oh, that's hot. Maybe con una gotitita.
So, just take the beans with a decent block there. So a good solder joint will be nice and shiny like that. If you use lead-free, sometimes it can be a little bit dull and not very nice. Right, so